Hello everybody, myself Jyoti Vashist from Suraj School Rewari. Today I am going to take the topic extraction of zinc metal from the class 10th chemistry. Students, zinc is a medium reactive metal. Medium reactive metals are those metals which lies in between the reactivity series above the hydrogen and below them the aluminium. Medium reactive metals mostly found in sulfide and carbonate form in nature. So if medium reactive metal found in sulfide form, in the form of sulfide ore, then we do the process roasting. Roasting is the process in which sulfide ore strong heat in presence of oxygen so that sulfur can be removed out in the form of sulfur dioxide and we get metal oxide. If medium reactive metal found in the form of carbonate ore, in that case we do the process calcination. The calcination is the process in which carbonate ore strong heat in absence of oxygen. In that case carbon dioxide gas release out, evolve out and we get metal oxide. Roasting and calcination process both are necessary because it is easy to reduce the metal oxide in metal than the sulfide or carbonate ore, so that first we convert sulfide and carbonate ore in metal oxide by the process of roasting and calcination respectively. After the roasting and calcination, then we obtain the metal oxide. Metal oxide is in further process metal oxide reduced. Reducing process for medium reactive metal reducing can be of two ways, by smelting and by aluminotherapy. Smelting is the process in which metal oxide heat with carbon so that carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide gas evolve out and we get metal which is impure in state. And in aluminotherapy we heat metal oxide with aluminium powder so that we get liquid metal in liquid state which is also in impure state. Now from here when we get impure metal from metal oxide, the next step of metallurgy, refining of impure metal to pure metal, we do to get the pure metal. Now let us understand this flow chart in the form of extraction of zinc metal. Extraction of zinc metal. Zinc is found mostly in the form of zinc sulfide, that is zinc blend. Here we see that zinc is in the form of sulfide ore. So for the sulfide ore, the first step will be roasting. I repeat again, roasting is the process in which sulfide ore strong heat in presence of oxygen so that sulfur can be removed out in the form of sulfur dioxide and we get metal oxide. Now in the second step, this metal oxide, zinc oxide, is reduced. So the second step will be reduction. Reduction may be aluminotherapy, may be smelting. So here we are taking the process, the reduction process is smelting. Thermite we will study later on. In smelting process, metal oxide here, zinc oxide is strong heat in presence of coke, in presence of carbon. So carbon has more affinity to oxygen than other atoms. So carbon react with oxygen and zinc metal, carbon monoxide evolve out here and we get zinc metal which is impure in state. In next step of metallurgy, refining of metal, where zinc metal get refined by the electrolytic refining process. The second type of ore of zinc is zinc carbonate. So how can we extract the zinc metal from zinc carbonate? It is the calamine of zinc. It is known as the zinc calamine ore. If we have carbonate with metal, then our first step should be, for the extraction of zinc metal, our first step should be calcination. In calcination, carbonate ore, strong heat in absence of oxygen. So in the absence of oxygen, when we heat it strongly, then carbon dioxide gas release out from here. And we get metal oxide, zinc oxide. Again this zinc oxide, this metal oxide reduced. So in step second, we do smelting. In smelting, this metal oxide, this zinc oxide, heat with carbon. And carbon reduce the zinc oxide in zinc. And we get metal zinc from zinc carbonate. This metal further processed in refining process to get pure zinc metal. So here it is the process to get extraction of zinc metal from zinc ores by zinc sulfide and zinc carbonate. Thank you and have a nice day.